When I work smart, I am able to use my time productively. There are limited hours in each day, so I am committed to using them well. My days are filled with numerous wins when I choose to take the smart approach to accomplishing tasks. The first step is to decide the suitable time of day for each activity. My mind is able to accomplish certain things when it is fresh each morning. I plan my tasks based on how charged up or at ease my mind is. When I am required to make tough decisions, I wait until my mind is relaxed and I can think clearly. Taking this approach ensures that I act from wisdom instead of emotion. I spend less time resolving issues of conflict when I choose the ideal time to deal with them. Although things may be done a certain way, I sometimes avoid conforming. I like to research alternatives that allow me to accomplish tasks more efficiently. Planning is also a way to work smart. When I take the time to schedule my tasks and assign reasonable timeframes, I am able to get more done. Using this approach, I only focus on what is in front of me and avoid thinking about the other assigned tasks. Today, my mantra is to work smart wherever possible. I acknowledge the power that comes from using my mind to produce more effective results. Self-reflection questions. How does the idea of smart work carry over into my personal life? How does working smart impact the time I am able to spend with my kids? What are some of the tools I use to make my work days go smoother? Thanks for watching. Donnan Coaching Services.